Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. We're gonna talk about Nicholas. Alright, this storm's going to produce a lot of rainfall. You can see the potential for Nicholas here. This is a very impactful tropical storm. It ain't no hurricane. It's going to definitely hit New Orleans, Louisiana once again. Impacts could be extreme, deadly, but this 8 to 12 inches.
This is where we're looking at over 8 inches of rain, and we do have an AccuWeather local storm max of 24 inches. The way that occurs is that
look at the people at AccuWeather. Oh my god. You can actually see it here, but we are alright. Let's go to the severe weather part, because we are going to talk about severe weather today too. Okay, it's good. Let's talk about this. This is where our main focus is about. It's here. We are talking about severe weather here in the Northeast. So it's back. I know it's September, but this is another thing we're talking about today. Is that severe weather is back and could be deadly. So this is what I'm trying to say. Severe weather is most likely from Wednesday from Pittsburgh northward into Maine. Wednesday, storms will move through parts of Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, and Massachusetts. Major cities that could be impacted include Albany, New York, and the National Weather Service has a storm prediction over 11 million under a slight risk. This is the outlook. You can see the potential is here for severe weather. Yeah, over the next couple days, there's a potential for each day for severe storms. Today, but this is the tornado threat. It's for Nicholas, tropical storm Nicholas. That's what that severe weather threat is for. But the bigger picture is that today, there's a potential for a damaging wind threat here. The damaging wind threat is the greatest risk here up here. But the risk potential for hail, the hail risk is going to be gigantic. You can see there's a potential for wind and hail. That's the main threats with these storms. A stalled cold front is going to develop here. A stalled cold front is going to form here and potential to produce severe weather. And then we're going to look at tomorrow's. Three areas potential for tornadoes. One in New Orleans, Houston, Denver, Colorado, and parts of Buffalo. And then that wind, marginal risk is definitely near Pittsburgh. This risk can include Cleveland, Detroit, Chicago, and then that's the next couple of days. You can see the next couple of days there's going to be a chance for some severe weather. So that is interesting for y'all. So what's going to cause this is very above average temperatures for this time of year. Okay, that's what's going to cause our risk of potentially strong storms, because it's likely to happen. And there it is here. Here is that risk here. Here's Fayette County, and alright. So here it is. It's for Fayette County. Scattered severe thunderstorms are possible Wednesday afternoon and evening with a crossing cold front. So that's where we're at. That risk is going to be on Wednesday. That's our main concern. Potential for some severe weather up here. But there is that potential here. Next couple days for the potential for damaging winds and potentially strong thunderstorms here. Okay, that's okay. The severe thunderstorm wind. Okay, it does include, but severe thunderstorm risk. It does include here. It'll be so the thunderstorm winds. See, the next couple of days there is each day that there's going to be some potential for severe weather. So there's a couple. But look at this. Look, there's they're going to stay in a severe risk in the next couple of days. But the whole region's going to be on standby for storms. So this is when things are going to get serious, and I know it's no joke because this is where the severe weather happens. It's possible that we could actually potentially see some severe weather. So it's likely, it's possible. There's a slight risk here. It's just likely to have severe weather potential because when the weather stations are not showing severe weather yet. But they should show it. It's coming. It's going to show it on the day of, because you know what? Tomorrow night there is a potential for thunderstorms. Yep, Uniontown's actually not in, but like I said, it says a few thunderstorms could be severe. So a few storms actually could be severe. So that's something we are going to keep an eye on. This risk could actually extend to Fayette County on a day 2 outlook. So this could actually mean that this is, I know it's September, but do you see this often in September? No. This is something you do not see often at all. You don't even consider this. You don't even consider this at all. You can actually see how that says right here. It says scattered thunderstorms and few storms may be severe. See, that is not typical to see at all. So that is what. Okay, we're gonna go to the weather models and check out what's gonna cause. We're gonna go to the radar. We're going to go to the radar here. This is Nicholas. We'll check that out last. But first, we're going to go to the northeastern U.S. for this risk. So storms are going to form today. But this is Wednesday. This is Wednesday morning. You can see there's a little thunderstorms here. But forming here, this is Wednesday morning. Storms are going to pop up in the afternoon. Big line of severe storms are going to move through. And there's going to be multiple chances of heavy thunderstorms coming in throughout the next couple of days. So there's that potential. Oh, I'll show you that too. I'll give you a glimpse of a little bit of blue. You can actually see some snow on there. So, but this is what we're going to check out the temperature dynamics. We're going to check out the 2 meter shaded. All right, this is how you know in severe. So look at this. It's a little cool down in the northeast. Okay, let's talk about. This was Friday. Okay, we're going to talk about Wednesday, okay? Eric, see that? Look how warm it's going to get. See that area? That's where the very warm temperatures are going to be. That's where rich moisture for severe weather is going to take place. And it's going to kick in a cold front, but more the same is going to come through. But what I'm going to try to say is the dew point. We're going to check out the 2 meter dew point with this. This is where I'm talking. Okay, it is Wednesday. Alright, this is Wednesday. You can see the mid to upper 60s. But in the day, there's that, look at that. That's where things could actually get serious. Look at this. Dew points in the low 70s. That is just not good at all. That's not good. The tornado threat could be off the charts. You can see that well, that's a line of thunderstorms. So ahead of that, that could stop severe weather right there. But this area right here, it's this area. It's actually from here to here is where it's going to happen. But then it gets, see the dew points just come back. And they try to fight, but guess what tries to come in here? Look how powerful that cold front. That is a very powerful cold front. That could actually bring another risk of severe weather. So this is a very powerful front. You can actually see the front. This is fall. See how it just, look at this dew points. Look at it. See, it just gets, see, that is where the most comfortable dew points you'll ever see all year. That will be the most comfortable weather ever. But first, we got to deal with this severe weather risk. These dew points we're gonna see our last thing of summer, and then we get our 50s. Okay, that's a dew point. Look at this, dew points in the 30s. Low and cool. It's gonna be a cool down coming behind the severe weather. There's a cool down coming, so be aware on that one. There is a cool down also. I'll show you that to make sure. So there's the cool anomaly. But watch what this does. There's that pattern Wednesday. Here that severe weather is going to set up. It's going to be very warm and humid. Watch what happens. We get this heat wave. Look at this. Constant heat. But look, this is when the next big severe weather threat's going to definitely take place. You can see the very warm, humid air ahead of it. This is, like I said, on radar shows a line of potentially severe storms coming in through here on Friday the 24th. This is a line of potentially severe storms, and then watch what comes. This is a very, very strong cold front. You can see how cold it gets right behind it. Even some snow could be possible with this. Even some snow. This could actually be a very cold time. You can see the severe weather will be up in parts of Maine. Let's go back a couple times and slow this down a little bit and play it so you can see how powerful this thing is going to be. Watch it go. That is the cold front. Watch how it just swoops in, and look how cold it gets. Look how powerful that just gets. Then the next big warm-up comes right behind it. Okay. There. That's what you see. And that is that's what I'm trying to say. It's just a very powerful front.